Hello dear guys, now it's about 1 a.m. and we decide to go to Yasuj city that is far about 8.5 hours from Tehran. Now we are near Isfahan and stopped at this gas station to fill up with gas, take a break and continue our journey. Until now we passed and Kishan and now we arrived in Isfahan. We stopped for a little break to enjoy some melon. The weather is so good. You can guess from the scenery that we are getting pretty close to Yasuj. We arrived to Yasuj and now we come home garden. We are on a family trip and we come to visit our relatives here. We are invited. Let's go inside. We sleep a little, guys, and after that we ate lunch and now we wanna go to the waterfall. Do you know, guys, the nature in Yasuj is just like the nature in our city.
اینجا باید پارک کنی پیاده بری سر آبشارش خیلی بالاش با سفر.
We park the cars here and go on foot from here. Let's go to see waterfall. The way up here is so beautiful. It's so nice. Let's walk together and enjoy of the sound of the nature and also of seeing that. Here they sell lavasha and also they sit near the water and they have kalyan. I think in English they say hookah or shisha. Look at the mountains. They are beautiful. This is the way to the waterfall. This is the main one. Let's go see what's up there at the top of the stairs. Okay, I come here. But I see they close it. They close it. Close the door. There wasn't anything special up there, just a few pipes that I think would put water into it. Well, guys, we took a few pictures and also looked around a bit, and then we come down from the waterfall, and now we want to drink tea. In here, we drink tea with ourselves. Let's see here. Here is coffee.
شب اینجا اینقدر شلوغ میشه هرچی پسر دختر بیکار میاد اینجا
We decided to swing by the bazaar, thought it'd be nice to walk around and explore a bit, but no parking around. Good morning, everyone! Let's start our day by looking and smelling these beautiful flowers. They smell amazing. Just you should be here. Okay, let's start by picking some of them together. We are going to make something with them. Can you guess what it is? Allah.
بعد تا
بریز. Today I have planned to show you around of here. Let's go together and see the garden. At first, let's see this room together. This room is for winter. It's beautiful. From outside, let's go and see inside too. Okay. I love here. As you can see, they make fire in there and all sit around here. And also they have a sink in here. Oh my gosh, just look at these cute little chicks. They're so tiny and adorable. I think they're only 2 days old. I gave our lovely host a hand with a few things, just small, and after that I took a nice refreshing shower. Here you go, guys. Okay guys, we get ready to go outside and search around. Are you ready too? By mistake, we went to a different village and now we've arrived at this beautiful one. They said there is a spring here too, but the road to the spring is unpaved and it's already late. I don't think we'll go. רגע, סרטאוكي خاكي ودرنگيشة بمعنى ذكاء سلام خوبی؟ سلامتی قربان یه اسمش چیه؟
جو
اینجا اسمش چیه؟
دنو
دنو؟
بله
باشه مرسی
دای دای
Here is the Deno village. Let's take a look at Deno village from a different perspective. I like it. It looks beautiful. Now we are going back home to pack our things and go. We had our dinner, packed our things, and now we are on our way to Gatsaran. I think it takes about 2 to 3 hours. We arrived to Gatsaran